Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to do the floss dance for parents. This will be a specific guide that I'm creating, a video tutorial that is geared towards teaching parents how to do the floss dance. If you're a parent and you want to learn how to do it, check this out. This is the video for you. Let's get right into the video. I'm a parent and I know how to do the floss dance, so I'm going to combine those two things and make an awesome tutorial. All right, step number one is to get your hips and you want to move them side to side. So just side to side, just like that. You want to get into the sort of the motion like this, you know, right, left, and so forth. And you want to get into this, and don't be like very stiff like this. You want to sort of move your body back and forth, because when you do the floss dance, it's going to be a whole body motion. So you want to get your whole body and just move it back and forth like that, okay? Once you get a feel for that, what I want you to do is then slow it down, take your hands, bring them down like this, closed fists, and then what you want to do is you want to just move your hands in the opposite direction of your hips. So check this out. As I bring my hips to my right, my fists are going to go to my left. And then the opposite. And then just go like this. Now, like I said, this is, you know, we're almost there. You got to practice, and this is a step-by-step process. So once you get a feel for that, you really want to slow it down. And then we'll practice doing it faster in a moment, but you really want to slow it down. Now, what you're going to focus on is bringing your fist, one of your fists, behind your back sometimes. So check this out. As I go this way, you can see I'm on the opposite side. Now when I come back, my right fist, the outside fist, is going to go behind me. Then I'm going to bring it back out, in front, and then now the outside fist, which is my left fist, is going to go behind me. Just like that. Behind. Front, front, behind. Front, front, behind. Front, front, behind. Just like that. Then you can speed it up and super speed if you want, as fast as you possibly can. So once again, just to clarify, you're going to break this down into steps. You know, it's not like jumping into a pool where you could just jump in and get wet and soaking wet like that. It's not how this works. It's a step-by-step process. This is like walking in using the ladder before you get into the pool. Okay, slowly but surely. Just trying to use some analogies over here. So what you want to do is start off with your hips, side to side, just like that. Get your whole body into it, you know, move your body up and down as you go side to side, maybe move your shoulders a bit. It'll make it a little bit easier, because doing the floss is all about feeling the dance, right? Very, very simple. Now, we're slowing it down, using our fists to go in the opposite direction in front of our body. And you don't want to go like this, no. Fists clenched, out in front, just like that, in front of your body, just like that. Now, check this out. Slow it down. Slow it down. When your fists are on the outside like this, you're going to take your outside fist, bring it behind. Okay? So instead of just going like this, you're just going behind. Front, front, behind. Front, front, behind. Front, front, behind. Front, front, behind. And then you can practice it really slowly at first, just like that. Okay? And then gain a little bit of speed. Maybe you want to take it to the next level. This would be like level 2, just like that. Okay? Then maybe level 3, just like that. Okay? Level 4, just like that. You want to go as fast as you possibly can. And that's it. Now the key here is practice. It's not going to be easy. It's not going to happen in 3 minutes. You can probably get the basics down if you practice while watching this video and follow along. But then to get faster, you know, you're going to have to practice. But if you practice for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, even an hour, you'll be able to do the floss dance. You should be able to do the floss dance really, really well. And that's it. This has been a very simple tutorial for doing the floss dance for parents. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.